All right, family, welcome back. It is Makisha Styles, aka Keish here, and I will once again be your host for today. Now, in the previous videos, I talk about the xtreamfx Global Academy. I've spoken to you about how you can get started with the Academy. I've spoken about the powerful resource that we offer. But then on top of that, what I haven't spoken to you about is the power of becoming an independent business owner with the xtreamfx Global Academy. Now, note, this is for our disclaimer. Past profits don't guarantee future profits, so we do not guarantee any income here to get that disclaimer out the way. Now, when you're an independent business owner with xtreamfx Global Academy, just know that it is not mandatory. Okay, this is totally optional. For this is those that want to create a second income stream by creating that residual income. Okay, what is residual? Something you're doing once and you're getting paid from it over and over and over again. So let's go into it. So you're an independent business owner with xtreamfx Global Academy. How exactly do you get started with that? So first, remember in the previous videos, I talked about you becoming a student with us, okay? That's the $99 a start, $99 a month. When you become an affiliate with us, now what you're going to have is an affiliate fee. Now that's for you to operate a business on our behalf. Now, when it comes to that, you're going to notice in a lot of other companies, it's like, hey, you got to pay it every single month. What I like about xtreamfx Global Academy is that you're only paying your affiliate fee once a year, okay? And I think it's like $68. So what does that look like? So now when you're ready to get started as an IBO with us, you're going to come on board and you're only going to pay $168 to start as an affiliate basic. So it's the same thing as a student membership, just that now you're an affiliate, so you're paying an affiliate fee. And then every month, it's only $99 a month for you to now operate as an IBO with our company. Now, let's say, just like in the previous videos, you want to take it a step further and also do HFX, right? And your FRX and still get all your trade ideas. We do have Affiliate Plus, the same thing as the Plus student. Only thing now, you're an affiliate with us, okay? And you're still getting everything you're getting as a student, just that you're an affiliate right now, okay? So that is only $299 to get started, and then it drops down to $129 monthly. $129 monthly. Like, all these are very reasonable startup costs, because imagine you're going to start a franchise with McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, all the other ones out there. You're not coming in at $168 and $99 a month. You're not coming in at $299 to start, $129 a month. You coming in with some big high profile dollars, and then two, you got to figure out how to do everything. Versus when you come in as an affiliate with us, we have a lot of things set in place to ensure, well, not guarantee, but assist you with succeeding as an IBO with our company. Okay, then it goes a step further. This one right here is what most people come in at. This is the Affiliate Pro. That's when you come in at $499. Okay, and then it drops down to $149 monthly. Any of these, because it has affiliate on it, you're still a student. Okay, so you're still getting all the resources as a student, just that now you're an affiliate as well. Okay, how does that sound? Sounds phenomenal. I know. So we're gonna keep it moving. Now, what I like about the xtreamfx Global Academy is this is one of the best compensation plans I have seen. I've been in previous companies and I thought theirs was amazing, but when I stepped over here, this is more amazing. Okay, why? Because you also are getting upfront bonuses. So say for instance, you came in as an affiliate basic, you got someone started because they're like, hey, I want to get started too as affiliate basic. You just got $25 up front. That's without you even having a rank in the company. I'm saying it one more time. You just got $25 up front without even having a rank in the company. And you can do it as many times over as you want to. But then it goes all the way to $200 for your upfront bonuses, and there's no limit on to how many upfront bonuses you can receive. So if someone came in and they got the pro like yourself, you just got $200. You pretty much just got back half of your upfront investment already in one customer. So when you start thinking on that money level, it's no limits to this. Because like I said, it's much cheaper than starting your own franchise where you just come on board with us. And then on top of that, this is not even including the compensation plan, you have 3 levels of generational bonuses. So every personal person that you get started, you're now getting extra when they get started with someone else. Okay, so say for instance, I came in, okay, boom, hey Keisha came in. Then right behind me, say for instance, Leroy came in. Boom, Leroy got started. He came in at a pro. I just got $200. And then boom, Leroy just signed up Josephine. Okay, I don't know where I get these names from, but signed up Josephine, and she just got started as a pro. I just got $20 from Leroy's personal. And then Leroy just got his $200. And then it passes up, all the way up. So the benefit of this is that you get your upfront bonuses. Boom, that's one stream. Next, you get your generational bonuses from each person that you signed up. That's another one. And then on top of that, it gets better because now once you have your 3, now you're on the compensation plan, but you're still getting your bonuses. You're still getting the generational bonuses, but now you're getting that residual. Yes, you're getting that residual. So once you get your first 3, now you're commission qualified because you're already getting your fast start bonuses. You're still getting your generational bonuses, but now you're qualified to now start really getting that residual. So then you step up to apprentice. Apprentice is 10 total customers or IBOs, and now you're getting $125 a week or $5 a month. And when I say 10 total customers IBOs, think about it. Over here, we have to help each other. It's not one person getting all the money. No, we have to help each other. So when I came in, I had to make sure I helped Leroy get his first 3. Leroy's going to help, was it Josephine? Yeah, Josephine, get her. I'm surprised I'm remembering these names. Josephine, get her first 3. And then you combine all those because now you're still getting all that what's called volume. And now you're at $5 a month because you are helping your team win as well because you can't get here alone. We're not called xtreamfx global for nothing. But then it goes a step further where you have your silver, where now you got 25 total customers and you're getting $1,000 per month. $1,000 on top of your fast start bonuses, on top of your generational bonuses. Okay, but then it does go deeper. It goes so much deeper. Because remember, tradesmen, now you in there, you got your first 3. Then you move on up, and now you're getting $5 per month, and then it goes all the way up to icon status, which is $1 million monthly per month, and that's $250,000 a week. So when you look at this compensation plan right now, take a screenshot of it, and I want you to think about realistically, where could you see yourself on this compensation plan? When you have that answer, I want you to get back to whoever referred you to this video, or if it's myself, text me in the number below, and we're going to ensure that we get you a game plan started so we can assist you with getting there. No income claims, right? We're not going to guarantee anything, but this compensation plan here, you have no choice but to win. All right. So that is all. I hope you have found this video very helpful. And like I said, if you're looking to come on board with us as an IBO or even a student, just make sure you contact the person that invited you here. If it's myself, you'll see my number in the video below, in the description below. We will definitely get you started and welcome you to our xtreamfx Global Academy. So this is Makisha Styles, aka Keish here, and I have been your host for today. And I will see you all in the next video.